Hello everyone, welcome back. In my last video, I covered how to set up data logging in FactoryTalk Optix. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build and configure trains to display that data. Optix handles trains in two total different ways. Real-time trains using directly tiger binding. Historic trains using data module binding. I'm going to show you how to set up both. Let's get started. Okay, we still use similar project. Okay, we first create a new panel. Okay, first create a new panel. First panel is a real time. Okay, real time tree. Second panel, historic train. We double click real time train. Increase. Then we should go to type view, go to use interface, go to data control. You can find the train screen. Okay. Double click here. We check directly. Okay. OPC UA. Okay. Go to OPC UA directly. Go to objects. Go to DA. Go to PLC test, which is available 2. Select. Okay. And the second one is variable 3. Okay. Here is the color, paint color. We use red. Okay. No, no red. This black. Second one. Okay, is color green. Okay. Okay. This is my real-time tree. Now we configure the historic tree. Similar. Train is drag here, drag and drop here. First, this one should module. We should choose history module here. Database, okay? We choose database, history database. Module. We choose database. data story, okay, database, okay, here. Then this pane is Y pane, okay. This pane is Y in the first one. We choose data logger. Go to loggers, go to data logger, go to here, you'll find a variable tag, okay? It's a variable tool, okay? It's, we can write down green, okay? Is we second one, we have two, same thing, data logger, variable 3, okay? Okay, just black, okay? Then we should Y in here, history. We should this one, so Y is access, maximum value. We just use 2 or 3, that's it. -3, okay? So the train, then we can write down variable 2, okay? Third one, variable 3, variable 3, okay? That's it. This history tree, okay? Real-time train, similar. We should pin Y value is here is similar 3 -3, okay? Type variable 2, variable 3, okay? Now we go to main window, make panel 2 of real-time train panel, go to here, okay? Is the history train panel, go to here. That's it. We can test. Oh, history tree, color, okay? Red, blue, green, and blue, okay? Here is the deadlock, okay? Last video talk. Here is the real-time train. This one history train, okay? This is completely different, okay? One more thing is the real-time train. The time is 5 seconds, okay? Is time window, okay? 5 seconds. We can more. 0, 1, one. One means history is the real time. Okay, is 5 seconds. It's okay. Now we can try. We start PLC. Can see. Look, here is the real-time tree. Okay, this is a historic tree. Look, completely different. This historic tree, just a database, the data from a database. This was real-time tree, data from PLC tag. Okay, this exact. Okay, look here, different. Okay, this one I use OPC UA communication. You can use Modbus TCP to do this same job. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much.